going on, YouTube? This is Joey with Softwash General LLC, and this is my budget bill. Alright, as you see, this is the rig so far. Let's start on the other side so I can give y'all the rundown. This is a budget bill built on my own first bill. We're gonna start right here. We got a 35-gallon bleach tank, as you see, bleach tank. And so right now I just use it with the drop sticks. I just use my drop sticks, which is right here. We got one for the soft wash. Let me pull it up. So you got one. Keep my drop sticks in here. So as you see, this is one drop stick that I made. As you see, it's going into the monitoring valve. This is for my roof washing, for the 5-gallon a minute pumps. And then I also have this one for the downstreaming. So all I do for now, I open that top, put them in there. That's a little holder for my pressure washing wands. Alright, so that's the bleach tank. This is a 275-gallon tote I got for $25. It's a buffer tank. I don't never carry water in it. So, alright, then down here we have our marine battery. I have my boots right here. Pressure wash so I don't get all messy. But it is a deep cycle marine battery. I got it from Napa. It works pretty good. I wired it all by myself. If I open it up, I have a battery checker to check the voltage. I mean, it's just a quick checker. So as you see, I have the black on the negative, and all I have to do is simply touch the positive, and it'll let me know how many volts that the battery has. And if it gets too low, I'll show you guys the charger. The charger is located in the toolbox. I mounted it here. So I simply would just take this right here, plug it up into the house, and this right here will charge it. It's a 4-amp battery charger and maintainer. Works pretty good. Alright, so that is the the marine battery, sorry. And here we got the little giant. As you see, I had my uncle weld me up something to hold it, and he put a custom-made lock on it, so it can't go anywhere. Right here on the tailgate. And then here I have my two 12-volt pumps. I have one for the bleach or chemicals, and the other one just a backup, or I use it for fresh water. Yeah, that works pretty good. It's from Northern Tube. Works pretty good. Can't complain. All right, then here we have the North Star hose reel. This is 150 feet. Also with 150 feet of hose. The reel is it holds 150 feet, and I got 150 feet hose. I just upgraded from one of these. As you see, this reel is only for 100 feet, and I got 150 feet of hose on it. And as you see, it will start scraping. That's why I had to upgrade to this, because eventually it could wear and tear and pop it. So, all right. On to, as you see, I have my soft wash guns. This is my soft washing. And as you see, I have the shooter tip with the M5 twist. And then here, this is the fresh water. That's if I want to wash a house just with the 12 volts. I can use this one for the cam, this to rinse. And then I move here, and this is the pressure washing side with the as you see, with the DN10 valve shut off. Works really good. Another hose reel, 150 feet of pressure washer hose. Then here, I just got a 5-gallon bucket, just for soap. And as you see right now, I got the dipstick, so I can just put it in there when I need it. And it will go also into the monitoring valve. So you got soap, you got water, and you got bleach. So as you see, turn it to what you want. All right. And then here, this is the pressure washer, 4 gallon a minute right now, until I can do better. But it gets the job done. As you see, 4,000 PSI. And as you go in here, I got my surface cleaner. It's 20-inch surface cleaner. And then I got my gas tank, just cam, red clay stain, you know, stuff like that, little knick-knack stuff. And as you see, I have my filter here, but the strainer is messed up, so I got to get a new one. And then you go in here. As you see, it's just the toolbox. You got some cam. You got some what is this? I believe it's red clay stain remover. You have just surfactant. And I got some LA Awesome. And this right here, if you guys are wondering, I wired my 12 volt pumps. As you see, I did that recently. As you see, I routed it under there, under the tank, all the way to the back, and it goes into here. So now, all I have to do, the switches were inside of the box, but as you see, I ran it, so now the switches are here, and all I have to do now, if you listen, that turns it on. As you see, turn it on. And it's ready to shoot. Finish with it, turn it off, and drain it. It's convenient and fast. I'm trying to make this trailer as efficient as I can. Also, as you see right here, when I'm running just fresh water, you can, on the splitter, you can just, while it's running, you got the fresh water if you want to wash your face or anything. All right, so that's the pressure washer. This is the toolbox. As you see, I got the gloves. Have my little gun, pressure washing gun. My tool bag. I always keep that with me with different nozzles just in case. Just little knick-knack stuff. I got my gutter tool. It's really good for cleaning gutters. Really good. Just spare parts, pressure gauge, stuff like that. Then I have the oil for the pressure washer. I got some pressure washer pump oil. Really good. Don't need to break down because of that. Just some off, you know, little knick-knack stuff. And what else? And also in the tank, what I forgot to show you guys is I have this as the bypass, so that keeps the it don't overheat the pressure washer, so it just goes in here and it just dump in here. And then as you see right there, that is a oxygen float valve. So what that do, pull up to the house and I want to fill my tank. All I do is this right here. What I do is hook the end of this hose right here. I hook it in. Bear with me. I hook it in like that. Other end, go to the house, turn this on. Boom. My tank is filling. I do need to fix this. This need to really be upright. So it's filling it up, and it will stop at about 100 gallons. That's why I got the float rail stopped. So yeah, so that is my budget bill so far. I'm still adding to it. So like, comment, subscribe. More videos are coming. You guys will see this thing in action. All right, thanks.